Giving gifts this holiday season. Several schools across the district are organizing toy drives. This cell phone video shows thousands of toys that were donated to the Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts annual toy drive. So many toys were given that the physical education teacher stored the items at his house. Toy collection bins were set up at the school, as well as at several local businesses throughout the community.
I think we really saw an influx in toys this year because we had more bins out in the community. We went from 6 bins last year up to 23, so we had a lot more interest from businesses. A lot of members of our PTO asked if they could have bins at their businesses, and then those bins were filling up like crazy.
All the toys have been donated to the Deep Well Project.
I know the Deep Well has over 800 families they're looking to help this Christmas, and we donated thousands of toys, so I think we're going to be able to help them meet their need of giving kids that special Christmas morning.
Hilton Head Island Elementary School also collected toys to donate to the Deep Well Project. The school is excited to be helping those in need in the community.
It's important to give because people who don't have things can't experience you have.
Bluffton High School's Interact Club organized a Bobcat Angel Tree. Students purchased toys and gifts for local elementary students and sold candygrams around the school, raising money to buy additional items for the kids and their families.
We wanted to do the Angel Tree because we wanted to give back to the community and the kids around us. I feel really happy that a child is able to wake up and have something on Christmas when they think that maybe they wouldn't or they wouldn't be able to because of money.
Bluffton High also organized an Angel Tree to help students at their school in need. Teachers as well as community members came together, donating snacks, clothing, art supplies, and more.
We're really happy to help families, to help bring some holiday cheer, and the parents were very excited. The kids, I got to talk with them and learn a little bit more about them and ask them the kinds of things they would like for Christmas, and so hopefully they'll get some of those things, but we're very excited to be able to spread the holiday cheer in our county, and we're very thankful for our community partners who care.
And Whale Branch Elementary School is focusing their toy drive on giving gifts that will encourage some family fun over the holidays. Students, teachers, local organizations, and more are dropping off board games that will be given to students in need at the elementary school and James J. Davis Early Childhood Center.
You know, kids get all these electronics, but the board games, that's time for them to come together, have family time together, and just even build that relationship as a family. And even with board games, I mean, I remember as a kid just sitting there playing board games, laughing, and a lot of times we don't see that because everybody's on an electronic device.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.